How can I unblock someone on Instagram so that I can see our old messages?
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle an issue many Instagram users face at some point: how to unblock someone on Instagram and restore your old conversations with them. If you've accidentally blocked a user, or if you've changed your mind after blocking someone, follow along as we walk you through the steps to resolve this.
Why can't I see messages from blocked users?
Firstly, it's essential to understand that when you block someone on Instagram, it not only prevents that user from contacting you, but it also hides all your past messages with them. This can be alarming if you had important conversations stored in those threads. But don't worry, the good news is those messages are not permanently deleted. When you unblock the user, the conversations should reappear.
How do I unblock someone on Instagram?
To unblock someone, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. 2. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right to visit your profile. 3. Tap on the menu, 3 horizontal lines, on the top right corner. 4. Choose Settings from the menu. 5. Now, tap on Privacy. 6. Under the Connections section, tap on Blocked Accounts. 7. You'll see a list of all the users you've blocked. Find the username of the person you want to unblock and tap on it. 8. Tap on the blue Unblock button next to their profile. Instagram will ask for confirmation. Tap on Unblock again. Congratulations! You've now unblocked the user. But where are your old messages?
How do I restore my old messages?
Once you've unblocked the user, you can restore your old messages by going into the conversation. 1. Tap on the messaging icon, paper plane, at the top right. 2. In the search bar at the top, type in the username of the person you just unblocked. 3. Tap on their username to open the conversation. Now, you should be able to see all the messages that were previously hidden due to the block. And that's it. You've learned how to unblock someone on Instagram and how to restore your old conversations with them. It's a straightforward process once you know what to do. Remember, while blocking is a great tool to maintain your privacy, it can be inconvenient if used unintentionally. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.